शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानामेकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. லோகவீரியம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதி ஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யகம். சுவாமியே சரணமையப்பா. வாகர்த்தாபிவ சம்பிருக்தௌ வாகர்த்த பிரதிபத்தயே जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्री पार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचर गुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृत् कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन् हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्री गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि अर्थान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषनभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाटी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्तिव्रजोऽयं। श्री गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। श्रीः भट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाबात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടും ഇറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മന്യനെ കുമ്പീരേന്താത്തോരു രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കെന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Good morning, everyone. Happy New Year to all of you, and welcome to the new session. So I think we have a whole bunch of new folks who have joined us. And this time we have a mix of people who are Tamil and Telugu, so now I'll keep my conversations to English. So we have kind of three sets of types of students or sets of students who are joined, right? One is people like I can see Ramesh here, Sangeeta, Vishwanathan, the two Sri Vidyas, and everyone, Vijay and everyone who are already completed 50 dasakams, right? So they're continuing. That's the slot. This is a slot that they've been learning for almost a year right now. Then we have a few other extra folks who are currently learning, who have finished 20, who are in the second batch, right? So the people who say Kalpana, Sri Devi, Lakshmi Garu, and others who are trying to do 2 sessions in parallel, Saturday session and Sunday session, to accelerate it. And then we have a set of people who have joined new to at least this our group of Narayaniam, right? So those are folks. I see Shyamala here. Jayashree is there. I don't know if Meera is on. But they have actually joined because they have already learned, but then they want to kind of revise and they want to kind of learn it properly, at least the last set of 50 chapters, right? So those are the 3 sets of people we have here. So anyway, so in this session, like we said earlier, is I'm not going to go through detailed meaning like we've done for all the other chapters, but at relevant points, I will talk about specific stanzas, right? I'll give meaning, right, where appropriate, but we won't go into detailed meaning. So we'll be covering it pretty fast, right, in the session. So with that, we'll jump into the class. So we can start with, Kalpana, can you be start off with the student? And Vijay, can you be a student for the first half?
Sure.
So Kalpana and Vijay, and then Sri Vidya, Sriram, you and Sangeeta, you can be student for the second half, okay? Okay. So Dasakam 2. So the first Dasakam, right, if you kind of think of the context of it, the first Dasakam where Bhattaripat spoke about the glory of Guruvayurappan and how Brahman himself is present in Guruvayur in the form of Guruvayurappan. That was the glory that was mentioned in the first Dasakam. The second Dasakam is describing the Lord, because when you think of your first saying why somebody is great, which is the glory, the second is you have to then describe who that person is. So that describing who that person is, what is happening in second chapter. Now 100th chapter, the difference between second and 100 is second is Bhattaripat is describing who that person is in the way he thinks it is, and 100th chapter is actually seeing it in front of him. So there's slight difference, but you'll start seeing a lot of the words come in common, right? Because at the end of the day, it's the same person he's describing, right? So that's what chapter 2 is. There's a little bit of a tough chapter, right? Because of the 4-liners and lot of lines get joined in this thing. So stanza 1. Suryaspardhi kireetamurdhvatilaka prodbhasi phalantaram karunyakulanetramardahasit sunasaputam gandhodhyanmakarabakundalayugham kanthojwalat kaustubham twadrupam vanamalyahara patala srivatsadipram bhaje. This I think is pretty obvious. A lot of the words you'll start seeing, you'll be able to relate to it. So bhaje means I'm meditating on this form, and then he starts talking about the makundala yugam kundalam that he's wearing, and then the kaustubam, then the color of the sandal paste that he has, the dress, everything. So he's essentially describing the Lord in this case, right? So Surya Spardhi Kiritam Urdhva Tilaka Prodbhasi Phalantaram. So that line is continuous, comma at the very end. Karunyakula Netram Ardra. So you can kind of break it at that ma there. Netram Ardha Hasitol Lasam. So that comes together. Hasitol Lasam Sunasa Putam. So both the lines, no pause in between, right? Comma only at the end of the line. Suryaspardhi kireetamurdhvatilaka prodbhasi phalantaram karunyakulanetramardahasit sunasaputam.
Suryaspardhi kireetamurdhvatilaka prodbhasi phalantaram karunyakulanetramardahasit sunasaputam. Suryaspardhi kireetamurdhvatilaka prodbhasi phalantaram karunyakulanetramardahasit sunasaputam.
The second line, Kalpana, second time you said murdra, netram ardra, second line.
Karunyakulanetramardahasit sunasaputam.
सूर्यस्पर्धि किरीटमूर्ध्वतिलक प्रोद्भासि फालान्तरम् कारुण्याकुलनेत्रमार्द्रहसितोल्लासं सुनासापुटम् सूर्यस्पर्धि किरीटमूर्ध्वतिलक प्रोद्भासि फालान्तरम् कारुण्याकुलनेत्रमार्द्रहसितोल्लासं सुनासापुटम्
Gandodhyan Makarabha. If you want to separate it, you can break it there. Gandodhyan Makarabha Kundala Yugam, comma, Kanto Jwalat Kaustubham. So Kanta means like the throat. So Kanto Jwalat Kaustubham, the Kaustubham necklace which is in the neck area. So Kanto Jwalat Kaustubham, comma, Twadrupam Vanamalya Hara Patala Shrivatsa Deepram Bhaje. So Vanamalya means the garland. So garland of tulasi and flowers and necklace, as well as at the Shrivatsa mark on the chest. That's the last line. So Todrupam Vanamalya Hara Patala Shrivatsa Deepram Bhaje. Gandhodhyan Makarabha Kundala Yugam Kanto Jwalat Kaustubham Twadrupam Vanamalya Patala Shrivatsa Deepram Bhaje.
गण्डोद्यन्मकराभकुण्डलयुगं कण्ठोज्ज्वलत्कौस्तुभं त्वद्रूपं वनमाल्यहारपटलच्छ्रीवत्सदीप्रं भजे गण्डोद्यन्मकराभकुण्डलयुगं कण्ठोज्ज्वलत्कौस्तुभं त्वद्रूपं वनमाल्यहारपटलच्छ्रीवत्सदीप्रं भजे
गण्डोद्यन्मकराभकुण्डलयुगं कण्ठोज्ज्वलत्कौस्तुभं त्वद्रूपं वनमाल्यहारपटल श्रीवत्सदीप्रं भजे गण्डोद्यन्मकराभकुण्डलयुगं कण्ठोज्ज्वलत्कौस्तुभं त्वद्रूपं वनमाल्यहार्यपटल Shrivatsadipram bhaje.
Vivek, I mean, sorry, Vijay, the last time, Vanamalya Hara, I think Harya, I heard, second time.
Okay.
Hara, just garland, Hara, okay?
Okay.
Stanza 2. Kehyurangada Kankanottama Maharatnanguliyankita Srimad Bahu Chatushka Sangada Gada Shankari Pankeruham Kanchit Kanchana Kanchi Lanchitalasat Pitambaralambhinim Alambe Vimalam Bujadvidipadam Murtim Tavarthechidam. These things, unfortunately, the entire line is together because it's like the whole thing is like a sentence, right? So when it's like a sentence, in this time, it's very hard to break it. So in the classic example of a parallel, since a lot of you have learned Devi Mahatmyam, the parallel is, if you remember that Dhyana Slokam, we say Khadgam Chakra Gadeshu Chapa Parigha Shulam Bushundin Shiraha Shankam Sandadatin Karaistanayanam Sarvanga Bhusha Avrutam. Where you're describing the 8 arms of the goddess and what ornament she's adoring and what weapon she's having in her hand, the 3 eyes and everything. So it's essentially the same thing they're describing here, except that here it is Chatur Bahu, right? So 4 hands, saying one hand you have the discus, one hand you have the conch, one hand you have the lotus flower, one hand you have the mace, and then your Pitambaralambini, and you're wearing a yellow color silk cloth adorning your body. It's just describing the various parts, the whole thing, whole body. Right, the first stanza was describing the crown and then the tilak and everything, and then what's happening in the next neck area. Then this one is describing the arms and the body. So the first 2 stanzas which we just learned are essentially dhyana slokams, right? Something you can chant every day, right? Like a dhyana slokam. So Keyurangada Kankanottama Maha Ratnanguliyankita. So on that you can't break it because it's Ratna Anguliya Ankita. 3 different words merged in that. So Maha Ratnanguliyankita, and then put a plus. Srimad Bahu Chatushka Sangada Gada Shankari pankeruham. So both the lines you'll kind of have to say it together, no pause there. Keyurangada kankanottama maharatnanguliyankita Srimad Bahu Chatushka Sangada Gada Shankari Pankeruham.
केयूराङ्गद कङ्कणोत्तम महारत्नाङ्गुलीयाङ्कित श्रीमद्बाहु चतुष्क सङ्गत गदा शङ्कारि पङ्केरुहाम् केयूराङ्गद कङ्कणोत्तम महारत्नाङ्गुलीयाङ्कित श्रीमद्बाहु चतुष्क सङ्गत गदा शङ्कारि पङ्केरुहाम्
केयूराङ्गद कङ्कणोत्तम महारत्नाङ्गुलीयाङ्कित श्रीमद्बाहु चतुष्क सङ्गत गदा शङ्कारि पङ्केरुहाम् केयूराङ्गद कङ्कणोत्तम महारत्नाङ्गुलीयाङ्कित श्रीमद्बाहु चतुष्क सङ्गत गदा शङ्कारि पङ्केरुहाम्
Kanchit, Kanchana, Kanchi, Lanchita. So I think for those who are following, Sanskrit or any language, so that nya is coming in each of these things, but it's a half of the nya, right? So that's why the sound has to come in each of it. Kanchit, Kanchana, Kanchi, Lanchita, Lasat, Pitambaralambhini. So I'll put the im at the end of that line. Pitambaralambhini, im and comma. Next line, that malambe becomes alambe. So alambe bimalambuja dyuti padam murtim tavartechidam. I think some books had just murti tavartechidam. If you have just murti, put a im there. Murtim tavartechidam.
Rajesh, the first line at the end, is it neem or neen? M or N?
M as in Mary.
Okay.
Neem. That ma that is coming in the last line, we're just breaking it into im and a. That's all. So that im goes to the third line. Kanchit kanchana kanchi lanchita lasat pitambaralambhini alambe vimalam bhujadyuti padam murtim tavartechidam.
Kanchit kanchana kanchi lanchita lasat पीताम्बरालम्बिनीम् आलम्बे विमलां भुजद्युतिपदां मूर्तिं तवार्तिच्छिदम् काञ्चित् काञ्चन काञ्चिलाञ्चितलसत् पीताम्बरालम्बिनीम् आलम्बे विमलां भुजद्युतिपदां मूर्तिं तवार्तिच्छिदम्
काञ्चित् काञ्चन काञ्चिलाञ्चित लसत् पीताम्बरालम्बिनीम् आलम्बे विमलां भुजद्युतिपदां मूर्तिं तवार्तिच्छिदम् काञ्चित् काञ्चन काञ्चिलाञ्चित लसत् पीताम्बरालम्बिनीम् आलम्बे विमलां भुजद्युतिपदां मूर्तिं तवार्तिच्छिदम्.
Answer 3. Yatrailokyamahiyyasopi mahitam sammohanam mohanat kantam kanti nidhanatopi madhuram madhuryadhuryadapi saundaryotaratopi sundharataram twadrupamaschargyatopyascharhyam bhuvane nakasya kutukam pushnati vishno vibho. So once he's described the form in the first two stanzas. So now here Bhattacharya is talking about how this form is incomparable, or it is the best compared to everything else, right? So he's saying here that this is so enchanting that sammohanam mohanat, even something which is enchanting, which attracts you, this is even more attractive than that. Madhuram madhurya dhuryadapi. So if you think of something which is very sweet, madhuram, this is even sweeter than the sweetest. So it's actually putting these comparatives, right? So comparatives to say that the form of the Lord is so attractive that it is the best of the best, right? So saundaryotaratopi sundarataram. So more beautiful than the most beautiful thing you can actually think of. Appadina, he's comparing everything and saying, with all these things being there in this world, how can it not increase your attraction or affection of the Lord's form? Because it is the best that he can actually think of. So he's just comparing it to, it's the best of the best across the various aspects, right? Sweeter, more beautiful, more attractive, and all that. So yat trailokya mahiyasopi mahitam, comma, sammohanam mohanat, comma, kantam kanti nidhanatopi, comma, madhuram madhurya dhuryadapi. So for each of the place where you put comma, you can say that each of that is one section of comparison that he's doing there. Yatrailokya mahiyasopi mahitam sammohanam mohanate kantam kanthi nidhanathopi madhuram madhurya dhuryadapi.
Yatrailokya mahiyasopi mahitam sammohanam mohanat kantam kanti nidhanatopi madhuram madhurya dhuryadapi. Yatrailokya mahiyasopi mahitam sammohanam mohanat kantam kanti nidhanatopi madhuram madhurya dhuryadapi.
Yatrailokya mahiyasopi mahitam sammohanam mohanat kantam kanti nidhanatopi madhuram madhurya dhuryadapi. Yatrailokya mahiyasopi mahitam sammohanam mohanat kantam kanti nidhanatopi madhuram madhurya dhuryadapi.
Saundaryotaratopi. So that is, you have to say it together. Saundaryotaratopi sundarataram, comma, twadrupam ascharyato-pyascharya. So that because it is ascharyato api ascharyam. So more ascharyam than the one which is more. So then the api that comes together. So put a plus at the end of the third line to join with the fourth line. So twadrupam ascharyato-pyascharyam, and then put a comma. Bhuvane na kasya kutukam pushnati Vishno Vibho. So one comma, yeah.
One doubt. என்னோட வந்துட்டு त्वद्रूपम आश्चर्यतो அப்யாश्चर्यம் இருக்கு.
அதான் அந்த இல்ல அந்த அப்யாश्चर्यம், அந்த the letter they have is the S, right? The symbol S மாதிரி.
எனக்கு வந்துட்டு அப்யாश्चर्यம்னு whole word-ஆவே இருக்கு.
Okay, இல்ல அது வந்து the actual word is ஆश्चर्यतो api ஆश्चर्यம். That's the three words there. So it becomes ஆश्चर्यतो प्याश्चर्यम. And the வந்து it becomes more like a silent a which gets combined with the to. So to pyaschariyam அப்படி ஆடுறது. So same way, like in multiple places we saw, right, where the a or the o comes before the a, and the a வந்து you don't explicitly say the letter a there. It kind of gets merged into that. Okay.
So I'll just put like that S.
Yeah. So put the S symbol there, right, in there. So one comma after sundarataram, one comma after pyascharyam. Saundharyotaratopi sundarataram त्वद्रूपमाश्चर्यतोऽप्याश्चर्यं भुवनेन कस्य कुतुकं पुष्णाति विष्णो विभो.
सौन्दर्योत्तरतोऽपि सुन्दरतरं त्वद्रूपमाश्चर्यतोऽप्याश्चर्यं भुवनेन कस्य कुतुकं पुष्णाति विष्णो विभो. सौन्दर्योत्तरतोऽपि सुन्दरतरं त्वद्रूपमाश्चर्यतोऽप्याश्चर्यं भुवनेन कस्य कुतुकं पुष्णाति विष्णो विभो.
सौन्दर्योत्तरतोऽपि सुन्दरतरं त्वद्रूपमाश्चर्यतोऽप्यश्चाश्चर्यं भुवनेन कस्य कुतुकं पुष्णाति विष्णो विभो.
And the third and fourth line joining. त्वद्रूपमाश्चर्यतोऽप्याश्चर्यं.
त्वद्रूपमाश्चर्यतोऽप्यश्चाश्चर्यं
Pyascharya is not a separate word, right? Remember, so it kind of has to come together. Ascharyato-pyascharya.
Ascharyato-pyascharya.
Correct.
Twadrupamascharyato-pyascharya. Okay.
Correct. Because that's a separate word, it's joined there. So.
Saundaryottaratopi sundarataram Twadrupamascharyato-pyascharya Bhuvanena.
That's okay. But I think you joined it. Yeah, you joined it. Yeah.
Bhuvanena kasya kutakam pushnati Vishno vibho.
Tattadhrang madhuratmakam tava vapuhum samprapya sampanmahi sadevi paramotsukha chirataram naste swabhakteshwapi tenasya bata kashtamachyuta vibho twadrupamanognyaka premastairyamayadacha balabalat chapalyavartodha bhoot. So here he's comparing, he's saying Lakshmi Devi, who resides in your chest, who resides in your bosom. This Lakshmi Devi, Bhattacharya is saying, is very fickle-minded. She's very inconsistent. Because even to Swabhakteshwapi, even for her own devotees, Lakshmi Devi doesn't stay in the same person with the same person all the time. Right? So at some point, somebody is very rich, they're very prosperous, and at some point they're not. So she's very fickle-minded. She keeps moving places. But however, with you, he says that she is somehow so attached to you that she doesn't leave you at all. So although she has this reputation of being very fickle-minded, I think that is, but with you, she's always residing with you. And because of, you and your form and your greatness. And we also saw this in, I think it was 29th chapter or 29th chapter, right? The 28th chapter, maybe. The Lakshmi Swayamvaram, where Lakshmi Devi was walking with the garland and she was looking around to see who she has to put the garland around. And then she was comparing all the qualities of all the Devas and Brahma and everybody. And then finally picked Narayana or Vishnu who was standing there. So that's what he's again saying here, saying that she always remains with you. So tattadring madhuratmakam tava vapuhu, comma, samprapya sampanmayi, comma, sa devi paramotsuka, comma, chirataram naste swabhakteshwapi. Tattadhrang madhuratmakam tava vapuhu samprapya sampanmahi sa devi paramotsuka chirataram naste swabhakteshwapi.
Tattadrun madhuratmakam tava vapuhu samprapya sampanmayi sa devi paramotsuka chirataram naste swabhakteshwapi. Tattadrun madhuratmakam tava vapuhu samprapya sampanmayi sa devi paramotsuka chirataram naste swabhakteshwapi.
Tattadring madhuratmakam tava vapuhu samprapya sampanmayi sa devi paramotsukha chirataram naste swabhakteshwapi. Tattadring madhuratmakam tava vapuhu samprapya sampanmayi sa devi paramotsukha chirataram naste swabhakteshwapi.
Tenasya bata kashtam achyuta. You can break it at that if you want. Kashtam achyuta vibho, comma, twadrupa manognyaka, and then put a plus. Prema stairyam ayad achapala balat. So you kind of have to say it together today. Prema stairyam ayad achabala balat. So if you have a small ich sound coming, the letter coming there, you replace it with the it, th, and then put a comma. So chapa balat, comma. Next word is chapalya vartoda bhoot. So twadrupa manognyaka prema stairya mayad achapala balat, comma, chapalya vartoda bhoot. तेनास्या बत कष्टमच्युत विभो त्वद्रूपमानोज्ञक प्रेमस्थैर्यमयादचाबलबलात् चापल्यवार्तोदभूत्
तेनास्या बत कष्टमच्युत विभो त्वद्रूपमानोज्ञक प्रेमस्थैर्यमयादचापलबलात् चापल्यवार्तोदभूत् तेनास्या बत कष्टमच्युत विभो त्वद्रूपमानोज्ञक प्रेमस्थैर्यमयादचापलबलात् चापल्यवार्तोदभूत्
तेनास्याभत कष्टमच्युत विभो त्वद्रूपमानोज्ञगः प्रेमस्थैर्यमयादचापलबलात् चापल्यवार्तोदभूत्
विजय அந்த இதுல प्रेमस्थैर्यमयादचापलबलात्
प्रेमस्थैर्यमयात्
the the after maya you have a da, right? The da you break it into it and a if you want. Okay, so it becomes premastairyamayat achapalabalat.
Okay, प्रेमस्थैर्यमयात् अचापलबलात्. Okay.
Correct, yes.
तेनास्याभत कष्टमच्युत विभो त्वद्रूपमानोज्ञगः प्रेमस्थैर्यमयात् अचापलबलात् चापल्यवार्तोदभूत्.
Correct, that's correct. So that achapala is one word. Chapala is like pickle, being constantly changing. Achapala means firm. So it's achapala is the right, it's a proper word there, which just means more firm or committed to it.
Okay.
Stanza 5. Lakshmi stavakaramaniyakahritai vehyam pareshwastireti asminnanyadapi pramanamadhuna vakshyami lakshmi pate एत्वध्यान गुणानुकीर्तन रसा सक्ता हि भक्ता जनाः तेष्वेषा वसति स्थिरैव दयित प्रस्ताव दत्ताधरा. In the previous one, like how Bhadratripat said, Lakshmi Devi is very fickle-minded, and then she even with Swabhakteshapi, even with her own devotee, she's constantly changing places, and she doesn't remain in one place except your heart. But he's saying, however, there is my previous statement where she's only attracted to you is committed even by the fact that those people who are Twad, your Dhyana Gunanu Kirtana Rasa Sakta, who are constantly worshipping you, doing dhyanam to you, and your guna, who are singing about kirtan, who are singing and praising about all your activities and all your greatness. So even those devotees who are constantly doing this to you, she's going to be with them only because she likes to hear about your greatness. So you don't have to necessarily hear what he's saying. You don't have to necessarily play just to Lakshmi Devi because she's going to keep moving, but just praying to Guru Ayappan here, Lakshmi Devi likes so much, so she is going to be there in places where you pray to Guru Ayappan. That's what he's essentially saying here. Summary. So Lakshmi's Tavaka Ramaniya Kahrutai Veyam Pareshwastireti. So put a ti at the end of that line. Pareshwastireti. Stiram, being firm. Stireti, comma. Next line, the tya that you have, replace it with the a. So asmin nanyadapi, double na coming there. Asmin nanyadapi pramana madhuna, and then a comma after madhuna. Pramana madhuna, comma. Vakshyami Lakshmi pate. So pareshwastireti, a comma there, and after pramana madhuna, one comma. Lakshmi stavakaramaniya kahritai vehyam pareshwasthireti asminnanyadapi pramana madhuna vakshyami Lakshmi pate.
Lakshmi stavakaramaniya kahrutai veyam pareshwastireti asminnanyadapi pramana madhuna vakshami Lakshmi pate.
Kalpana, sorry, just one small correction. The second line, right, when you're saying asminnanyadapi, I think you take that api a little bit down then it
Okay.
will land properly. I think it was not landing there.
Asme, okay. Lakshmi stavakaramaniya kahruta. Sorry. Lakshmi stavakaramaniya kahrutai veyam pareshvastireti asminnanyadapi pramana madhuna vakshami lakshmipate.
Lakshmi stavaka ramaniyakahृते veyam pareshvastireti अस्मिन्नन्यदपि प्रमाणमधुना वक्ष्यामि लक्ष्मीपते लक्ष्मी स्थावकरामणीयकहृते हृतैवेयं परेष्वस्तिरेति अस्मिन्नन्यदपि प्रमाणमधुना वक्ष्यामि लक्ष्मीपते.
Again, that second line, the same place, right? Asminan, I think you were just trying to rush through that api. That's okay, but I think it was just, it just felt like you rushed through that letter out of that place, okay?
Which one? Asmin.
I think asminnanyadapi the P, right? You are rushing through it. Just
Okay.
say it like slowly, then it will land. Not a big deal, but just a small correction there, okay?
Okay, now I thought because it was a small.
Yeah, it's a small P. That's why you just take it down. Asminnanyadapi pramanam haduna, right? That way you won't be rushing through that, okay?
Okay.
Ye tvad dhyana gunanu kirtana rasa sakta hi bhakta janaha. So put a visarga at the end of that line. So that line is continuous. And after jana, you put a visarga and a comma, janaha. Next line, that is goes away. So teshvesha vasati stiraiva, comma, daita prastava dattadara. Ye twadhyana gunanu kirtana rasa sakta hi bhakta janaha teshvesha vasati stiraiva dayita prastava dattadara.
Ye twadhyana gunanu kirtana rasa sakta hi bhakta janaha teshvesha vasati sthiraiva dayita prastava dattadara. Ye twadhyana gunanu kirtana rasa sakta hi bhakta janaha teshvesha vasati sthiraiva Daita prastava dattadara.
Ye twadhyana gunanu kirtana rasa sakta hi bhakta janaha teshvesha vasati stiraiva daita prastava dattadara. Ye twadhyana gunanu kirtana rasa sakta hi bhakta janaha teshvesha vasati stiraiva daita prastava dattadara.
Stanza 6. Evam bhuta manognyata navasudha nishyanda sandhohanam twadrupam parachidrasayanam chetoharam shrinvatam sadyah prerayate matim madayate romanchayatyangakam vyasinchatyapi shita bhashpa visaraihi anandhamurchodbhavaihi. So he's saying this form is so that anyone who is so attached to it, right, and then starts meditating or thinking about this form all the time, at some point will reach a level of ecstasy, right, or you reach a level of state where he says you'll get horripilation all over your body, and then you'll be, you'll start getting tears of joy or tears of happiness, right, that starts coming when you start absolutely loving the Lord here. So that's what is essentially summarizing here, the form of the Lord. So evam bhuta manognyata nava sudha nishyanda sandohanam. So that line is continuous as well, comma after sandohanam. Twadrupam para chidrasayanamayam. So para chidrasayanamayam, comma, chetoharam shrinvatam. Evam bhutamanognata navasudha nishyanda sandohanam twadrupam parachidrasayanamyam chetoharam shrinvatam.
एवं भूतमनोज्ञता नवसुधा निष्यन्द सन्दोहनं त्वद्रूपं परचिद्रसायनमयं चेतोहरं शृण्वताम् एवं भूतमनोज्ञता नवसुधा निष्यन्द सन्दोहनं त्वद्रूपं परचिद्रसायनमयं चेतोहरं शृण्वताम्
एवं भूतमनोज्ञतानवसुधा निष्यन्द सन्दोहनं त्वद्रूपं परिचिद्रसायनमयं चेतोहरं शृण्वताम्.
Which is second line, parachidra, not pari.
Parachidra. Okay. एवं भूतमनोज्ञतानवसुधा निष्यन्द सन्दोहनं त्वद्रूपं परचिद्रसायनमयं चेतोहरं शृण्वताम्.
Sadhyaha is there. Put a if to join. Sadhyah prerayate matim madayate, comma, romancha yatyangakam. So that thing that comes continuous because it's really romancha ati angakam and all multiple words mixed. You can't break it. So romancha yatyangakam, comma, vyasinchattyapi shita bhashpa visaraihi. So after that rai, visarai, there's a ra there. So put a visarga and a comma first. Shita bhashpa visaraihi, comma. Next word starts with a a. Ananda murchodbhavaihi. So we're going to remove that ra and replace it with a visarga and a a. Ananda murchodbhavaihi. Sadyah prerayate matim madayate romanchayatyangakam vyasinchattyapi shita bhashpa visaraihi ananda murchodbhavaihi.
सद्यः प्रेरयते मतिं मदयते रोमाञ्चयत्यङ्गकं व्यासिञ्चत्यपि शीतबाष्पविसरैः आनन्दमूर्च्छोद्भवैः सद्यः प्रेरयते मतिं मदयते रोमाञ्चयत्यङ्गकं व्यासिञ्चत्यपि शीतबाष्पविसरैः आनन्दमूर्च्छोद्भवैः
सद्यः प्रेरयते मतिं मदयते रोमाञ्चयत्यङ्गकं व्यासिञ्चत्यपि शीतबाष्पविसरैः आनन्दमूर्च्छोद्भवैः सद्यः प्रेरयते मतिं मदयते रोमाञ्चयत्यङ्गकं व्यासिञ्चत्यपि शीतबाष्पविसरैः आनन्दमूर्च्छोद्भवैः.
Okay, we're halfway through, so we'll change. I think I said Sri Vidya and Sangeeta, right? Second half.
Yeah.
Okay. Stanza 7. Evam bhutataya hi bhaktya bihito yogasya yogatmayat karma jnana mayat brishottamataro yogishware dhiyate saundaryaika tvaikalu prema prakarshatmika bhakti nishramameva vishwapurushair labhyarama vallabha. So this, I think, we've heard Bhattacharya say this multiple times towards the end of the Narayanam as well, that the Bhakti Marga is more easily attainable than the Karma Marga and the Jnana Yoga Marga, right? And he's going to talk more about it in the next couple of stanzas as well. So he says, I am not saying this. It says, Yogishware Dhriyate. Even the greatest of sages have said that. And then he says, that is because your form, which is described, the form which he has described in the previous several stanzas, he says, how is it not possible for somebody to get so attracted to it and then get intense love and bhakti towards that form? So it is very easy, because if you start conceptualizing what Brahman is and start visualizing something in a very abstract form, it is extremely difficult. But here, and that's what the first stanza of Sandrananda Bodhatmakam, he already said that you are present, the Brahman itself is present in a concrete form, in the form of Guru Arpan right in front of me. So it's much easier for me to now fall in love and develop that intense bhakti towards this form. So that's why, because of that, the bhakti marga is much more simpler than the jnana marga and the karma marga. So evam bhutataya hi bhaktya bihito, comma, yogassa yogadvayat, comma, yogadvayat, comma, karma jnana mayat Brishottamataro, comma, Yogishwarair Giyate. Evam bhutataya hi bhaktya bihito yogasya yogadvayat karma jnana mayad brishottamataro Yogishwarair Giyate.
Evam bhutataya hi bhaktya bihito yogasya yogatvayat karma jnanamayad brishottamataro yogishwarair giyate.
Srividya, in the first line, the bhaktiya is just a ya. I think you are saying bhaktiya, you are adding an extra a there. So bhaktya bihito. The first line. Yeah.
Evam bhutataya hi bhaktya bihito yogasya yogatvayat karma jnanamayat brishottamataro yogishwarair giyate.
Evam bhutataya hi bhaktya bihito yogasya yogadvayat karma jnanamayat brishottamataro yogishwarair giyate.
In the second line, brishottamataro.
Brishottamataro. Okay. Evam bhutataya hi bhaktya bihito yogasya yogadvayat karma jnanamayat brishottamataro yogishwarair giyate.
Saundaryaika rasatmake tvai, and then after tvai, after tvai you put a comma there. Saundaryaika rasatmake tvai, comma after that. Actually, no, hold on. No comma there. After Saundaryaika rasatmake tvai khalu prema prakarshatmika, and then put a plus. Prema prakarshatmika bhaktihi. So on top of that ni, if you have a ir, right, remove that ir and put a visarga bhaktihi, and then comma. So prema prakarshatmika bhaktihi, comma, nishramameva vishwa purushair labhya rama vallabha. So just one comma after bhaktihi, and then there are two lines are continuous after that.
என்னோட புக்ல வந்து நிஹி கொடுத்திருக்கு.
அதான் அந்த நிஹி ஸ்ரமமேவ, right? So அந்த ஸ்ரக்கு முன்னாடி you put the ish sound. So nishramameva. Nihi shramameva, right? That's what you have.
Nihi shramameva.
Yeah. So you put the visarga you only say when shra is coming, right? This is shra. So another you put the ish sound, nishramameva.
Vallabhava, vallabha. Vallabha.
Second bha. Vallabha.
Okay. Vallabha.
Yeah, second ba.
Long ba illa. Yeah.
Not ba.
Okay.
Vallabha.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. And Vallabha meaning is one who loves somebody. So Rama Vallabha means one who loves Rama, which is Lakshmi Devi, which is Krishna, or this thing, Narayana, Guru, however you want, right? So that Vallabha is just a more like an attached to some person all the time. Saundharyaika rasatmake tvai khalu prema prakarshatmika bhaktihi nishramameva vishwa purushair labhya rama vallabha.
Saundaryaika rasatmake tvai khalu prema prakarshatmika bhaktihi nishrameva vishwa purushair labhya rama vallabha.
And the second line is there. Nishramam eva. Shramam. So it's a ma and a im, right? Nishramam eva.
सौन्दर्यैकरसात्मके त्वयि खलु प्रेम प्रकर्षात्मिका भक्तिः निःश्रममेव विश्वपुरुषैर्लभ्या रमावल्लभ
सौन्दर्यैकरसात्मके त्वयि खलु प्रेम प्रकर्षात्मिका भक्तिः निःश्रममेव विश्वपुरुषैर्लभ्या रमावल्लभ सौन्दर्यैकरसात्मके त्वयि खलु प्रेम प्रकर्षात्मिका भक्तिः निःश्रममेव विश्वपुरुषैर्लभ्या रमावल्लभ
Stanza 8. Nishkamam niyata swadharma charanam yat karma yogabhidham tadhuretya phalam yadau panishada jnanopalabhyam punah tattva vyaktataya sudurgamataram chittasya tasmad vibho tvat prematmaka bhaktireva satatam swadhiyasi shrehyasi. Here he continues to kind of tell why Bhakti Marga makes sense, because he says, first, if you cannot talk about the Karma Yoga or the Karma Marga, he says, Nishkamam, you have to do all these efforts, every action you're doing, without expecting any fruit out of that action, right? And that too, it's not just going and doing it one time and saying, okay, you know what, I'm not desiring any result for this. It has to be done over a period of time. And then I think it comes in the next stanza. Yeah, so I'll wait for that. So it has to be done over a period of time, and it's not just a one-time effort. It has to happen. It has to build up over several periods of time. Or the other option which you think of is the Jnana Marga, right? And I was just explaining this Kapilopakyanam, if you all remember it, chapters Dasakams 14 and 15, where it talks about the Prakriti and the Purusha and all the complications of understanding that, right? You have to understand the abstract nature of the Brahman and what all these things are, which is also extremely complicated for majority of the people. So he says both of these, right, just to add to the previous stanza, both of these are extremely difficult paths. So instead, the path of Bhakti Marga is so easy, and that's why he says Satatam Swadhiyasi Shriyasi. It is the sweetest and it is the best, because it's much more easier actually to attain as well. So Nishkamam.
Related to the Karma Marga, Rajesh.
In Shividya, sorry?
Karma Marga totally I can relate to it. Every day I try to do exercise, but I don't lose a pound.
but then it's so hard to say that is still I'm going to keep doing it and continue that, right? I think as parents, I'm sure all of us have gone through this and are going through this. We keep saying that I'm doing all these things for you, but you guys don't seem to care at all, right? We go. That's what I'm saying. The Karma Marga is extremely difficult, and even in the next, and I don't want to jump to the next stanza, but the next stanza it also talks about, and we're going to learn more in the fourth Dashkam as well. Is all of these things are extremely hard, because it's not just about being simplistic and saying one time, oh, I'm doing this for the kids, so I don't have to worry about the benefits of it. But it's like every action we do, which is literally impossible in this world, time and age, right? To be in such a mentality, right? So Nishkamam niyata swadharma charanam, comma, yat karma yoga bhidam, comma, tadhuretya. So there's a id and the both coming. Tadhuretya phalam yadau panishada jnanopa labhyam punaha. So that second line is continuous. Yadau panishada. So the yada upanishad. Remember the word upanishad. So yadau panishada jnanopa labhyam punaha.
Rajesh, chinnade yadaupa nishata varma alla yadau panishadan varma.
That is yat upanishad. So and the word rendu, you have to kind of say it together. Yatau panishada.
Rajesh, Tadhuretya phalam is the second da. Is it a Mahaprana da or Alpa Prana da?
That is alpa. This is the alpa prana. Tadhuretya, not the second, not the Mahaprana.
Okay, thank you.
Tadhuretya phalam yadau panishada jnanopala. Yeah. So under the you're clear, right, Ramesh? So yadau panishada kind of comes together, because it's yet Upanishad.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you kind of about as much as possible, right? As much as possible, try to say that together. Nishkamam niyata swadharma charanam yat karma yoga bhidham tadduretya phalam yadaupanishad jnanopalabhyam punah.
Nishkamam niyatasva dharmacharanam yat karma yogabhidham tadduretya phalam yadaupanishadah jnanopalabhyam punah. Nishkamam niyatasva dharmacharanam yat karma yogabhidham tadduretya phalam yadaupanishadah jnanopalabhyam punah.
Nishkamam niyatasvadharmacharanam yat karma yogabhidam tadduretya palam yadaupanishada jnanopalabhyam punah. Nishkamam niyatasvadharmacharanam yat karma yogabhidam tadduretya palam yadaupanishada jnanopalabhyam punah.
I'm sorry, Rajesh. Is there a break in the first line?
No, after Swadharma Charanam, after Charanam, there's a break.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Tattva Vyaktataya. So that word you have to kind of say that together. Tattva. First there's a ta coming and then a two half it coming, right? If you're following Sanskrit. Tattva Vyaktataya Sudur Gamatharam Chittasya Tasmad Vibho. So that whole line is continuous, no pause there, comma at the very end, Tasmad Vibho, comma, Tvat Prematmaka Bhaktireva, and then a comma, Satatam Swadiyasi Shreyasi. Tattva Vyaktataya Sudurgamataram Chittasya Tasmad Vibho, Tvat Prematmaka Bhaktireva. Satatam swadhiyasi shreyasi.
Tatvyaktataya sudurgamataram chittasya tasmat vibho tvat prematmaka bhaktireva satatam swadhiyasi shreyasi. Tatvyaktataya sudurgamataram chittasya tasmat vibho tvat prematmaka bhaktireva satatam swadhiyasi shreyasi.
Tatvavyakta. Is it tatvavyakta?
Tattva Vyaktataya.
Tatvavyaktataya.
Yeah, Tattva
Vyaktataya.
Correct.
Tatvavyaktataya sudurgamataram chittasya tasmat vibho tvat prematmaka bhaktireva satatam swadhiyasi shreyasi. Tatvavyaktataya sudurgamataram chittasya tasmat vibho tvat prematmaka bhaktireva satatam swadhiyasi shreyasi.
Stanza 9. Atyahya sakarani karma patalhani acharya niryanmalaha bodhe bhakti pate tavapi uchitata mayanti kim tavata klishtva tarka pathe param tava vapuh brahmakya manye punah chittardratva vichintya bahubhis siddhyanti janmantaraihi. This is again a continuation of the previous one where he says that first, when you start off, everybody starts off with karma marga or karma yoga, where I'm saying I'm going to perform my duties and I'm not going to take any benefits of it. And it could be any kind of duties. It could be just performing rituals, homams, anything you want. But he says all of that is required to first purify your mind so that you can now get ready for Jnana Marga, Jnana Yoga, which is the next step. So for you to even get into Jnana Yoga or Marga, he says, first you need to have purification of minds. So you first have to do all these other activities, get your mind purified, and then you have to get into the Jnana Marga and understand all this. So that is one approach. The other approach is people start talking pure knowledge or logic. But the Bhattaripada, at least what he's saying, the flaw with something like that is it does not come attached with it the concept of love or devotion. So any just pure what do you call trying to obtain knowledge or of the Atma and the Brahman and everything, but without any attachment of devotion or love attached to it, he says is not relevant. It's never going to be successful because you're also going to miss it. So again, he's just coming back to the same point that the advantage with Bhakti Marga is once you are completely devoted to the Lord and you start loving him, then all the other things will automatically stay in place. And we all also saw this in Dasakam 76, right? When Uddhava went to meet the Gopikas, and then he summarizes at the very end saying, Evam Bhakti Sakala Bhuvanena Nekshita Nashrutava. And he also says, Kim Shastra Gaihi Kimiha Tapasa. So he says all of that are only secondary when it comes to pure Bhakti devotion. Anyway, Narayanam, that's the whole point, right? At the end of it, we know from the beginning is it's a focus on it is on the Bhakti Marga. So Atyayasa Karani, that's how you want to split it, but you can say that together. Atyayasa Karani Karma Patalani. So there, that nya that you have, you might probably have Karma Patalanya. You will have it there. That in and the ya, we're going to break it out. So make it Karma Patalani, short ni, and then a comma. The next word is Acharya. So that ni plus a is the nya. So we're going to remove that nya and make it Karma Patalani, comma, Acharya Niryan Malaha. So if you don't have a visarga at the very end, put a visarga at the end of that line and a comma. Niryan Malaha. Bodhe Bhakti Pathe Tavapi. Again, that pya that you have there, you make it a p. So Bhakti Pathe Tavapi. Short p, put a comma. Next word starts with the u. So that again, Pu, P-Y-U, Pu that you have, we are bringing it into P and the A. So Bhakti Pateta Vapi, comma, Uchitatam Ayanti Kim Tavata. Okay, anybody has any questions on that? So the two corrections there, Patalani in the first line and Bhakti Pateta Vapi in the second line.
First line la comma ve kadayada.
And the Karma Patalani.
Patalani.
And that's why the comma is there, because you're breaking that into ni and the a. So Atyaya Sakarani Karma Patalani Acharya Niryanmalaha Bodhe Bhakti Pate Tavapi Uchitatam Ahyanti Kim Tavata.
Atyaya Sakarani Karma Patalani Acharya Niryanmalaha Bodhe Bhakti Pate Tavapi Uchitatam Ayanti Kim Tavata.
Just with the second line after Bhakti Pate Tavapi, there's a comma, okay?
Okay.
Bhakti. And the way we put the P, right? There's a comma after that.
Atyaya Sakarani Karma Patalani Acharya Niryanmalaha Bodhe Bhakti Pate Tavapi Uchitatam Ayanti Kim Tavata.
Atyaya Karma Patalani Acharya Niryanmalaha Bodhe Bhakti Pate Tavapi Uchitatam Ayanti Kim Tavata. Atyaya Sakarani Karma Patalani Acharya Niryanmalaha Bodhe Bhakti Pate Tavapi Uchitatam Ayanti Kim Tavata.
Klishtva Tarkapathe Param Tava Vapuhu. So on top of that Brahma, if you have a ir there, remove that ir. So tava vapuhu. Visarga and a comma there. Vapuhu. Brahmakhya manye punaha. Another visarga and a comma there. Punaha. Next line, if you have a ish in front of the chittardra, that ish, you remove that ish out. So punaha, comma. Next line becomes chittardratvam. So that line, that word you say it together. Chittardratvam vichintya, comma. Bahubhis siddhyanti janmantaraihi. So third line, there is no comma except at the end. Fourth line, one comma after vichintya. Klishtva tarkapat, sorry, after vapuhu there is a comma in the third line. Klishtva tarkapathe param tava vapuhu brahmakya manye punaha chittardratvam vichintya bahubhis siddhyanti janmantaraihi.
Sorry, Rajesh, I missed it. After vichintya, is there a comma?
Yeah, after vichintya there is a comma. So one comma after vapuhu in the third line. In the fourth line, after vichintya, there is a comma.
Okay, thank you.
Krishtva tarkapate param tava vapuhu brahmakyamanye punaha chittartrattvamrite vichintya bahubhis siddhyanti janmantaraihi. Correct?
Yeah, correct.
क्लिष्ट्वा तर्कपते परं तव वपुः ब्रह्माख्यमन्ये पुनः चित्तात्रत्वमृते विचिन्त्य बहुभिः सिद्ध्यन्ति जन्मान्तरैः.
क्लिष्ट्वा तर्कपते परं तव वपुः ब्रह्माख्यमन्ये पुनः चित्राध्रत्वमृते विचिन्त्य बहुभिः सिद्ध्यन्ति जन्मान्तरैः. क्लिष्ट्वा तर्कपते परं तव वपुः ब्रह्माख्यमन्ये पुनः चित्राध्रत्वमृते विचिन्त्य बहुभिः सिद्ध्यन्ति जन्मान्तरैः.
Last answer. Tvadbhaktistu katharsamrutajhari nirmajjaneన swayam siddhyanti vimala prabodha padavim aklesha shastanvati sadhya siddhikari jayatyai vibho saivastu me tvatpada prema praudhirasadrata drutataram vathalayadhishwara. Tvat bhaktistu and then comma kathara samrita jari. So that you have to say it together because it's katha rasa amrita jari. So the amrita jari means like flowing of nectar, like flows like pure nectar. So kathara samrita jari nirmajjanena swayam, and then put a plus siddhyanti, and then after that a comma. So one comma after tvad bhaktistu, then continuous, and after siddhyanti in the next line, one comma. Bimala prabodha padavim akleshatas tanvati. You don't have to break it at that padavim. You can say it continuously as well. So padavim akleshatas tanvati. So that is continuous as well. Tvat bhaktistu kathara samrita jari nirmajjanena swayam siddhyanti vimala prabodha padavim akleshatas tanvati.
त्वद्भक्तिस्तु गतारसामृतजरी निर्मज्जनेन स्वयं सिद्ध्यन्ति विमलप्रबोधपदवीम् अक्लेशतस्तन्वती. त्वद्भक्तिस्तु गतारसामृतजरी त्वद्भक्तिस्तु गतारसामृतजरी निर्मज्जनेन स्वयं सिद्ध्यन्ति विमलप्रबोधपदवीम् अक्लेशतस्तन्वती.
Your small correction, second line siddhyanti is a long e, okay?
Okay, siddhyanti.
Siddhyanti. Okay, so I'm just
Okay.
stretch a little bit.
त्वद्भक्तिस्तु कथारसामृतजरी निर्मज्जनेन स्वयं सिद्ध्यन्ति विमलप्रबोधपदवीम् अक्लेशतस्तन्वती त्वद्भक्तिस्तु कथारसामृतजरी निर्मज्जनेन स्वयं सिद्ध्यन्ति विमलप्रबोधपदवीम् अक्लेशतस्तन्वती
Sadyas. Sorry.
And Katambrajas Tachari, அது வந்து லாங் ரீ இல்லையா?
ஆமா, wrong read. Samrita Jari Nirmajjanena. Okay. Sadyas Siddhikari Jayat Yai Vibho, and after Vibho, comma, Saivastume Tvatpada, and then put a plus. Tvatpada Prema Praudhi Rasardrata Drutataram, and then a comma. So one comma after Vibho, because the reason is Tvatpada, so your feet, Saivastume, so having intense love for your feet is then going to generate this, it's going to melt my heart. Prema, the love which is coming from intense worshipping of your feet is going to melt my heart. So he says, may I experience that. So he's requesting that, and as you are chanting it, you are requesting for the same thing too. So that's why you are putting a plus there. So Saivastume Tvatpada Prema Praudi Rasardrata Drutataram, comma, Vatalayadhishwara. Sadhya Siddhikari Jayatyai Vibho Saivastume Tvatpada Prema Praudi Rasardrata Drutataram Vatalayadhishwara.
Sadhya siddhikari jayatyai vibho Saivastu me tvatpada prema praudirasadradat drutataram Vatalayadhishwara.
And the last thing, Shivita, Drutataram, Dru, U sound.
Okay, drutataram. Okay. Sadhya siddhikari jayatyapi vibho
Jayat Yai Vibho. Jayat Yai Vibho.
Jayatyayi vibho Saivastu me tvatpada prema praudirasadrada drutadaram. Correct?
Drutataram, yeah.
Drutadaram Vatalayadhishwara.
सद्यः सिद्धिकरी जयत्यहि विभो सैवास्तु मे त्वत्पदप्रेम प्रौढिरसाद्रथा द्रुततरं वातालयाधीश्वर सद्यः सिद्धिकरी जयत्यहि विभो सैवास्तु मे त्वत्पदप्रेम प्रौढिरसाद्रथा द्रुततरं वातालयाधीश्वर.
Krishna Brahmane Namaha. This chapter took longer than I thought because I know sometimes when you get into the meaning, it takes too much time. I was not originally intent on doing it, but anyway. So we have a few more minutes. Just maybe complete a couple more stanzas of 3, right? So chapter 3, second 3. So we'll start with the first stanza. Patanto nabhani pramada bhara sindhau nipatitaha smaranto rupam te Bharada katayanto gunakataha charanto ye bhaktaha tvai khalu ramante paramamune aham dhanyan manye samadhikata sarva bhilashitan. So patanto namani, comma, pramada bhara sindhau nipatitaha, comma, smaranto rupam te, comma, Varada Kathayanto Guna Kataha. Patanto Namani Pramada Bharasindhau Nipatitaha Smaranto Rupam Te Varada Kathayanto Guna Kataha.
Patanto namani pramata bharasindau nipatitaha smaranto rupam te varada Katayanto gunakataha. Patanto namani pramata भरसिन्धौ निपतिताः स्मरन्तो रूपं ते वरद कथयन्तो गुणकथाः
पठन्तो नामानि प्रमदबरसिन्धौ निपतिताः स्मरन्तो रूपं ते वरद कथयन्तो गुणकथाः पठन्तो नामानि प्रमदबरसिन्धौ निपतिताः स्मरन्तो रूपं ते वरद कथयन्तो गुणकथाः
Charanto ye bhaktaha. So that is that you see there, remove it, put a visarga and a comma. Bhaktaha, comma. Tvayi khalu ramante paramamoon. Put in at the end of that line. Paramamoon, comma. Next line, that naham that you have becomes a aham. So aham dhanyan manye samadhigata sarva bhelashitan. So that is, so no pause in the last line. So bhaktaha, comma, and then the last line is continuous. Charanto ye bhaktaha tvai khalu ramante paramamune aham dhanyan manye samadhigata sarva bhelashitan.
चरन्तो ये भक्ताः त्वयि खलु रमन्ते परममून् अहं धन्यान् मन्ये समधिगत सर्वाभिलषितान् चरन्तो ये भक्ताः त्वयि खलु रमन्ते परममून् अहं धन्यान् मन्ये समधिगत सर्वाभिलषितान्
चरन्तो ये भक्ताः त्वयि खलु रमन्ते परममून् अहं धन्यान् मन्ये समधिगत सर्वाभिलषितान् चरन्तो ये भक्ताः त्वयि खलु रमन्ते परममून् अहं धन्यान् मन्ये समधिगत सर्वाभिलषितान्
Answer to Gadaklishtam kashtam tava charana seva rasabharepi anasaktam chittam bhavati bata Vishnu kurudayam bhavat padam bhojas smarana rasiko namani vahan aham gayam kuvachana vivatsyami vijane. So this one is such an important thing, because you have to remember, right? Bhattacharya is now writing chapter 3, and he has severe rheumatoid arthritis. He's not able to write. He himself is actually not writing. He has somebody else who's actually writing for him. So here he's actually pleading to the Lord, saying, I want to feel that intense love for your feet, and I want to feel that state of bliss. And also he says, in addition to that, Bhavat Padam Bhoja Smana Rasiko. I want to be intent on worshipping your feet. Nama Nimahan. I want to be saying your name all the time, right? Gayam Gayam. I want to also be singing all the greatness that you have actually done. And then also I don't want any house or anything. I'm okay living wherever. I just want to go about roaming, right? Like a nomad, and then always chanting your name and always be worshipping you. But he says, I can't do that, because he says, because of Ghadaklishtam, because of all the diseases and the various afflictions I have, my mind doesn't even feel like saying your name, because I'm still suffering from all of these things, right? So that's why he's saying is that please, have compassion on me and remove these sufferings that I'm having, so that I'm not asking for anything else. All I'm asking is I just want to remain devoted to you, but I am unable to do that right now. And that's the kind of pain he's telling, right? I'm unable to do any of those things because I'm suffering so much from all the challenges that I'm actually having here. So Gada Klishtam Kashtam, comma, Tava Charana Sevarasa Bharepi. So put a P at the end of that line, short P and a comma. Rasa Bharepi, comma. Next line, that Pya that you have, replace it with the A. So Anasaktam Chittam. So Anasaktam Chittam Bhavati Bata, comma, Vishnu Kuru Dayam. Gadaklishtam Kashtam Tava Charana Seva Rasa Bharepi Anasaktam Chittam Bhavati Bata Vishnu Kuru Dayam.
Gadaklishtam kashtam तव चरण सेवा रस भरेपि अनासक्तं चित्तं भवति भत विष्णो गुरुदयां कदक्लिष्टं कष्टं तव चरण सेवा रस भरेपि अनासक्तं चित्तं भवति भत विष्णो गुरुदयां कुरुदयां
गदक्लिष्टं कष्टं तव चरण सेवारसभरेऽपि अनासक्तं चित्तं भवति बत विष्णो कुरुदयां गदक्लिष्टं कष्टं तव चरण सेवारसभरेऽपि अनासक्तं चित्तं भवति बत विष्णो गुरुदयां
Bhavat Padambhoj Smarana Rasiko Nama Nivahan. Put a in at the end of that line. Nivahan, comma. Next line, that Naham becomes Aham. Aham Gayam Gayam, comma. Kuhachana Vivatsyami Vijane. Bhavat Bhojasmarana Rasiko Nama Nivahan Aham Gayam Gayam Kuhachana Vivatsyami Vijane.
भवत्पादाम्बोजस्मरणरसिको नाम निवहान् अहं गायं गायं गुहचन विवत्स्यापि विजने
Vivatsyami that line Vivatsyami.
विवत्स्यामि विजने भवत्पादाम्बोजस्मरणरसिको नाम निवहान् अहं गायं गायं गुहचन विवत्स्यामि विजने
भवत्पादाम्बोजस्मरणरसिको नाम निवहान् अहं गायं गायं कुहचन विवत्स्यामि विजने भवत्पादाम्बोजस्मरणरसिको नाम निवहान् अहं गायं गायं कुहचन विवत्स्यामि विजने.
We'll do one last stanza and stop. Kripathe jatha chet kimiva nahi labhyam tanubhritam Madiya kleshaugha prashamana dasha nama kiyati Nakeke lokesmin anishamai shokha bhirahitaha Bhavad bhakta muktaha sukha ghatima sakta bhidadhate. Just a quick explanation. So here he's saying that you are such a great person, O Lord, that you have given so much to so many people. There are so many people who are actually living in the way I want to live, which is, he says, without any worries, right? And being able to go wherever they want and constantly singing your praises and constantly worshiping you. So why is it such a problem for you to just eliminate the simple problem of mine, right? So just, I have suffering from this, and all I'm asking for is for you to put an end to all the diseases and sufferings I'm having. So why is that such a big deal? Apni is asking a question here.
The problem with us, Rajesh, is if we don't have any problems, we don't even think of God.
Correct. But that's why he's very specific, right? He's saying that I don't want anything else. And then in the first stanza, he's actually talking about what an ideal devotee is, and I didn't spend time on that. But the second stanza, he's telling he wants to be like that, which he says, I don't want any place to live. I don't want anything else. All I want is I want constantly to be worshiping you. That's all I want. But for me to do that, you got to put an end to all the problems I'm suffering, some physical sufferings, not other mental sufferings, right? Which a lot of us have. But he's talking about physically, I'm suffering so much, I can't write, I can't say, right? So he's saying the physical sufferings, at least you remove for now, so that I can continue to do what you're doing. But you are also right in the way, that otherwise nobody, if everything is going well, nobody cares about anything else, right? So
Vidya, for some people, no problem is a bigger problem.
எனக்கு அந்த மாதிரி இருந்ததுன்னா எனக்கு ஓகே ரமேஷ்.
So kripa te jata chet. So after that it you put a comma, jata chet, comma, kimiva nahi labhyam tanu bhritam, comma, madiya kleshaugha prashamana dasha nama kiyati. So that no pause in the second line. Okay. So just Srividya and Sangeeta, just say it one time, okay? Since we don't have time. Kripate jatha chet kimiva nahi labhyam tanubhritam madhiya kleshauga prashamana dasha nama kiyati.
कृपा ते जाता चेत् किमिव नहि लभ्यं तनुभृतां मदीय क्लेशौघ प्रशमनदशा नाम कियते कियति
कृपाते जाता चेत् किमिव नहि लभ्यं तनुभृतां मदीयक्लेशौघप्रशमनदशा नाम कियती
Na keke lokesmin. So the double na that you have there. So first you put one in lokesmin, comma. Next one you replace it with the a. Anishamai shoka birahitaha. Put a visarga at the end of that line if you don't have it. So anishamai shoka birahitaha, comma. Bhavat bhakta muktaha, comma. Sukha gatim asakta, if you want to break it. Gatim asakta vidadhate. Nakeke lokesmin anishamai shokha bhirahitaha bhavat bhakta muktaha sukha gatim asakta vidadhate.
न के लोकेस्मिन् अनिशमयि शोकाभिरहिताः भवद्भक्ता मुक्ताः सुखगतिम् असक्ता विदधते
न के लोकेस्मिन् अनिशमयि शोकाभिरहिताः भवद्भक्ता मुक्ताः सुखगतिमसक्ता विदधते.
Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. We end the class here. Om Sandhanandhavabodhatmakamanupamitam Kaladeshavadebhyam Nirmuktam Nityamuktam Nigamashata Sahasrena Nirbhasyamanam Aspashtam Drishtamatre Punarurpurushartatmakam Brahma Tattvam Tattavad Bhadi Sakshat Guru Pavanapure Hanta Bhagyam Jananam काहेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियैर्वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावात् करोमि यत् सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि.